One of the biggest risks in life is not taking the risk. When I was laid off in 2018, I experienced that. One of the biggest decisions that I took in my life was the biggest risk as well. In 2018, when I was laid off, despite having the very good salary for business reasons, I had to make a choice. And those choices were actually very, very difficult. While I was searching for the job on the one hand, I had to actually look for my own development. And I realized that that was the time I made a decision to invest 1.2 lakh rupees in my first mentorship ever in the 18 years of my career. And that has paid off like anything. So if you're not taking the risk, you're anyway taking a risk of not taking one. So what do you think about the taking risk? Are you taking something or not yet?